Write a Python program to check a leap year. Firstly, we need to understand what is a leap year. A leap year has 366 days and it comes once in a 4 year. And the normal year has 365 days. Let's write a code. We take input from the user. Then we write our first condition. If a year when divided by 400, then it gives the remainder 0. And a year when divided by 100, it also gives the remainder 0. Then we write our print statement. We pass the year value and write a message. Is a leap year. Then we write our second condition using elif. Here when divided by 4, it gives the remainder 0. And here when divided by 100 does not equal to 0. Write the print statement, pass the year value, and write a message. Now leap year. Then we write else condition. We did not pass any value in else condition. Directly print the statement. Not a leap year. When we run a program, enter year. Let's write 2000. It is a 2000 is a leap year. When we pass the second value, 2024 is a leap year. When we pass the third value, 2003 is not a leap year.